Hey guys, I'm Lujina. Welcome back to my channel. Before we start the video, make sure to press the subscribe button if you haven't, and press the bell button to have a notification whenever I post a video. And if you like the video, make sure to press the like button and comment down below what stuff you want or any questions you want to ask. Okay? If you like the video, don't forget to share. Okay, today we'll talk about exponents. For example, what is 2 power 2? 2 power 2 means 2 times 2. Okay? So 2 times 2 equals 4. So if you find something if you have a math quiz or something, or you're solving math and you find a question like this, 3 power 5. So of course it's not 3 times 5 because this is a smaller number and it's not beside it, it's on top of it. Well, actually it's across it. Exponents, we do here, you have 5, so you do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. So this is a shorter way to write 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay? This is how the exponents are written. Okay? Well, how do we solve them? We solve exponents like this. You do 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 3 is 9. Then 9 times 9 is 81. Sorry, 81. Then you drop this down because you didn't multiply it, and then do 81 times 3 equals 243. Okay? This is how you solve exponents. I'll give you another example. Exponents is a very easy. Exponents, it might be the easiest lesson you take in math, because as you saw, I didn't explain because it has nothing to explain. It's just whenever you see a number here and then a power here, you do this number times this power. If you have 10 here, you do, suppose that this is x number, you'll do x times x times x 10 times. Okay? It's so simple. I mean, it doesn't need a lot of time to think about it. Let's give some examples. Example 1. You have 1 power 8. Okay? So how do you solve it? You'll do 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This question, it might be tricky a little bit, because 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 1 is 1, and then multiply these. 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 1 is 1, and then multiply these. 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 with any power here, it will be 1, because 1 times 1 is what? 1. Even if you multiply 1 times 1 for like thousands, the answer will be 1. So if you get 1 power 1000, what will the answer be? It will be equals 1. Okay? And another thing, I'll give you another example before I'll explain to you the other thing that I was gonna explain. Okay, let's give an example. Okay, 26 power 2. How we'll solve this? We'll do 26 times 26, which is gonna be 676. It's so easy. We don't need to get another example. Okay? Another thing I want to tell you, that any number power 0 is 1. For example, you've got 100 power 0. Okay, that's not degree, it's a 0. Okay, anything power 0 equals 1 without even thinking. You see 69 power 0 equals 1 directly without any thinking. Okay, anything power 1 equals the same number. For example, if you got 4 power 1 equals 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 power 1 is 4. Exponents is a little bit related to multiplication. Okay? It's related to multiplication because here's a base. Okay? This is any number, n for a number. Okay? Any number is written here, you multiply this times this times. We not multiply this times this. For example, 4 and power 2, so we do 4 times 2, which is 8. No, that's wrong. We do 4 times 4, the number of times.
16.
Here is written 2.
16.
Here is written 2, so you write 4 2 times. Here it's written 1000, you write 4 1000 times. But of course you won't get a question with a power of 1000. Okay? These are the two questions, different questions I wanted to explain. I'll give you an example of these. Okay, first question. 89 power 1. We said anything power 1 is the same answer, so 81 power 1 will be 89. Okay, number 2. 62 power 0. Anything, we said anything power 0 is 1. So anything, once you see a 0 in the exponents, the answer is 1 directly, without even thinking about it. Okay? Number 3, 9 power 3. So we'll do 9 times 9 times 9. Okay? 9 times 9 is 81. Okay? Times 9 equals 729. Okay, this is the answer. So here, when you get 9 power 3, the answer is 729. It's so easy. We'll have 3 homework questions like we do. Okay. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. These are the 3 questions. Another thing, the last thing I want to say is you might get a question like this. You might get a question like this. 4 base and 2 power. In this case, you'll do the answer is not solving the exponent, but writing the exponent. Like 4 is the base, so this is the base, it will be 4. And power 2, so it will be power 2. This will be the answer. If the question tells you write the exponent and then solve it, you write this is the question, and you wrote the exponent, and then you're gonna solve it. So you'll do 4 times 4, which is 16. This will be your answer. If the title of the question tells you write the exponent and solve it. Okay? That's it for today. Hope you understood this lesson. If you did, press that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and comment down below if you don't understand anything, and press the ring. Press the notification button, and don't forget to share this video in order to a lot of people understand. If your friends don't understand or anything, just share them the video in order to understand. Okay? Bye.